In space, fires behave differently and astronauts have limited firefighting resources.
Forced convection causes late warnings and smoldering releases toxins.
Captain and Teflon emit undetectable smoke while hot spots go undetected.
Cool flames are soot-free and invisible while leaks drop oxygen levels.
Our solution is C.A.T.S.S, Combustion Artificial Intelligence Thermal Imaging Safety System.
C.A.T.S. combines thermal imaging with machine learning.
C.A.T.S. improves training models and warns instantly with inference on the edge.
C.A.T.S. was developed for testing in space and consulting with professionals.
C.A.T.S. saves lives.
Saving lives across the universe.